this year Nyankopon ya my first March to the first March year registration.
Sure.
So you record grounds. Yani omanfo kodi nkomo, especially the youth. Na oma ba be register. Na efi omo register wia na hwekwan ye be fa so a ye de be bo party so gidi. We are not going to stay home. We are going to be on ground. But my family, I'm going on the grounds. I'm going to the base. I'm going to meet the people. We are going to meet all of them. It is not about what you alone bring into the table, but what I am also contributing to the table. I am not waiting for Honorable Samia Oku to come and sponsor me to do this. I am not waiting for the NPP executives to come and support me to do this. Since I'm going to say me support me contribute on the table just to hold on to the party. Now party na be yakono. Abeye abreshemu a omanfo no betumi anya mudo bio no ebe okay that was akwanya odi aman mada tifo ne ahwefo so wase say also won eti na wodo won mu anso edebo an se ne medi kan me koso ada me manfo no ase support award mambo electoral area ho abotre sometimes or how ni bi ni ade bo so or kwa wo fa so and also mu we are working together over there and I'm working with my people and I really appreciate their inputs in our electoral area ho me fa kwanya we so e dia da NPP fo nyina abato aye koto ye it was so peaceful and we thank God we will be a modern boy or the boy mesia da Honorable Sami Ewuku ne support ni massive involvement before and during the presidential primaries and then yen flag bearer ye ba be sonu mu edina ko meda na se dem ada NPP fu ase me fa akwanya we so na me dia da the youth wing of the New Patriotic Party asida we so enkoma commander Prince ono current constituency yeba beto aso na yenso baby odisi yenso atoa so e dia ko and executives ni nyina so ase